In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to generate YouTube descriptions. If you want to save time and create better video descriptions that are clear, searchable, and more engaging. ChatGPT can be a very helpful tool. The key is knowing what information to give it and how to refine the results so it actually fits your channel and your audience. To begin, provide the video details clearly. Give ChatGPT your video title, the main topic of the video, and who the video is meant for. You should also include important keywords you want to rank for in search. If your video mentions products, helpful resources, or links you plan to include in the description, mention those as well. The more context you provide, the better the description will usually be, because ChatGPT can only work with the information you give it. For example, you could say, write a YouTube description for a video about beginner fitness tips. Include SEO keywords and a call to action. That kind of prompt gives the tool a clear goal and a clear direction. Next, ask ChatGPT to generate an SEO-friendly description. This is where you want it to create a summary that makes people want to watch the video while also naturally using relevant keywords and phrases. A strong YouTube description should not feel stuffed with keywords. Instead, it should read smoothly while still helping YouTube understand what the video is about. You can also ask ChatGPT to include timestamps, useful links, and any important details your viewers may need. This can improve the viewing experience and also help with discoverability in YouTube search results. A simple prompt here could be generate a YouTube description with keywords, hashtags, and a subscribe call to action. After that, optimize and customize the result. This part is important because the first version is not always the final version. You can ask ChatGPT to rewrite the description for different audiences or different niches if your content style changes. You can also create multiple versions to test what works best. If needed, add hashtags, social media links, and contact information, but make sure anything personal or sensitive is handled safely before publishing. Then refine the wording so the description is more engaging and encourages viewers to keep watching. A useful follow-up prompt would be, rewrite this YouTube description to make it more engaging and SEO-friendly. When used this way, ChatGPT becomes a fast and flexible writing assistant for YouTube. Give it strong context, ask for search-friendly writing, and then customize the result so it matches your brand and your audience.